Devenir professionnel est une nécessité et non un rêve. La chaîne Devenir professionnel va vous faire bouger pour devenir des professionnels.
Hi everyone, I'm Hussein from Devenir Professionnel, that's meaning in English being professional. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Office Word to create this kind of template. Of course this kind of template we can create them with Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, but only with Words you can again create the same job. So let's start to create our template. But to make our job so easy, we are going to divide our template on three parts. The first one is the header, and this is the body and the footer at the last part. So click on insert shapes and click on free form. 4 pound like this, 4 pounds, and this is my form. Change to the white like this. So again I will add, double click on my form and change to 21 for example, like this. I will again create my photo, the same thing, insert shapes, free form, click like this. Double click on your form, click on ship outline and click no outline, so we don't need one. For the colors, click on more fill colors like this, custom color, and change those parameters. Like this. For so for my body I want I will still keep this outline because I want to see the places of my body, but before double click on your photo like this and rotate this to 6 like this. So now it's cool. Now we are going to add our picture. Click on insert pictures and choose the place of your picture. For you can place, you can move faster your picture. Make a double click on your picture and click on wrap text behind texts. Again double click on your picture and click on crop because I want to delete some part of my picture like this. I don't need here this place. So now it's good. We'll make it again bigger like this. Again crop. Now Ctrl Z again. So you can so now is good for me. Make again double click on your picture to change the color. So sorry. Double click on your picture, click on color, change more variations and more colors, custom, and change those parameters. 255, 157, 150. Like this. So our template is now to click on your body like this and delete no outline. That's what I need. So I will add now my logo. Here's for the logo you have to put an icons which has link to do your job. For example, if you're a designer, try to put an icons that have these relations, or only you can put the icon of the company which you are working now. Sorry. So now I will add this logo here. Click on insert shapes circle, press please shift to make a good circle like this one. Double click on your circle, no outline, and change the color of the background. 255, 255 again, 252. Now my icon will make it a little bit bigger to watch my header. So I will add now this place to add some informations. Insert shapes, and now you can draw a rectangle like this. So 475. You don't need the outline, no outline, and for the colors you can change. So for the background of this form, double click, shape fill, more fill colors like this, and change as parameters. Put 241 and 50. So now it's good. Try to move it the place you want. So for me, I want to hide something like this. You can again move your form by keyboards. I will add now my name. Click insert text box. So I will put my name, Hussein El Hanani. Double click on this text box, no fill, no outline, and change the color to the white. Make it again a little bit bigger. Okay. So now it's good. The same thing, click. You can copy this one by press Ctrl and try to drag like this with your mouse to make a copy. But look to this problem, I can't move my text. So if you have this kind of problems, make a double click on this with the right click on this form like here, like this, like you're watching, more layout options, and click on this place, move object with text. So now I can move my text to the place I want. Here I will write, for example, teacher. We'll make it a little bit bigger like this. So everything now is good. We have now to add some icons and informations like phone, email, and home or our address. Do the same. Insert picture. Of course, this folder I will add it below this video. You can use the whole icons that you need, or if you don't need other icons, you can only follow on Google, and there is a lot of icon. So I need the phone. So make again double click on your picture, and now in front of the text. Now I can move faster my text, my icon, like this. Add again the next one. So I need email, like this. The same thing in front of the icon to move it. I need now home, the same thing, insert, select, and I will add home. Double click on your picture in front of, and now I will put my home here. So to add the form, click insert, double click on your text box, no fill and no outline. For number, I will put false number, for example. So change the color. And I will put my number from here. So again, press Ctrl and drag with your mouse to make a copy. So here email, for example, name, name email.com. So just a false email. And for addresses, the same thing. You put your addresses here. So I'm at Agadir. This is my city, Morocco, and I'm from Morocco. So my header now is finished. I'm going now to add the informations of the body and again do footer. So the first steps is finished. Now we are going to make to work in the second step. So for this place, try to put an icon which has links to your job, or only you can put an icon of the company which you are working now, or you have worked. So I will only put, for example, here I will click press Ctrl to make a copy like this. I will add here logo, change, we'll make it a little bit bigger like this, change the color. So now we are going to add some informations of our experience, educations, and our objective. Of course, our scales. The first step, we have to divide this thing. Click insert, choose this one, line, and press shift like this, and try to draw a good one. Double click on your form or on your line and choose the color like this, gray. Sorry, again I have to change the color for my line. So now here is good. We have to add this one, like if you in 4 parts, 1 2 3 4. Design, shapes, line, press shape again, and add one. So in this place, so it's good now, like this, it's good. The same color, double click on your form, on your line, shape outline, and choose the same color like this. So now we have only to add we are going to add object type like this. Insert, shape, circle, press shift please, and draw one, and don't like this. Again, press shift, double click on your circle, no outline. For the background of this color, more fill colors. We have to choose the same color like our circle, so 25, 245, 233, like this. So now we are going to add, so press like any text box like you want, press Ctrl and drag with your mouse to make a copy, and click here, object body, so like this, and for the color, this one. So I forget the time we see here for this one, so 20. Like this. So in this place, try to put some informations for your object type here in this place. So for me to win the times, I will just make a copy of this text here, and I will add it to this place. So for you have to write your text. So to make again education, click on this text box, press Ctrl and drag. So to make them in the same line, here I am going to put education, educations. So I need to put a date, for example, in my university name and specialty and some informations. So here's so press again Ctrl and make a copy and write, for example, 2006 36, like this. You have to change the color to the gray, this one, so it's good now. Here, for example, 2004. So now I need university name, for example, specialty, and some other informations about my university. So the same thing. So press, for example, if you want to add a new text, click insert text box, but I have a lot of text box. I can only press Ctrl like this and drag by the mouse to make a copy. So here I will put university, for example, name, change the color to the orange, make it a little bit bigger. And now we are going to add our specialty here. Specialty, change the color to the black, draw this a little bit, 40. So now we have to add text. So for our text like this, press again Ctrl and make a copy of this text. So I will take this text because this is just an example. So, and this is my text. The same thing, press again to add other our body like this, and add, press Ctrl and add your informations about your skull and your specialty in this period. So here's, for example, that I have, for example, two educations, so that so important and has a link to the job that I want to get in this company. So we need now to add the experience. So the same thing, press object, press on object, Ctrl drag to write skills. The same, press again object, press Ctrl and drag to make a copy to write our experience. So here skills, and here experience. Experiences. So as you see, our template, our bodies, we have finished educations objectives, so we have only to add many experiences that has always links and relation to the job that you want to get in this company. Also the same, the skill, try to be selective, try to select only the informations that can define your place in that company. For the skills, just try to click on insert, for example, and I'm going to choose, for example, Excel like this. Double click again on your picture in front, so you see it's more bigger. Now you can change the dimensions or the size like this. Here you have this size. So Excel, for example, I will add again the PowerPoint. Double click, the same thing. So he's 2, 1. So put the whole skills that has a link to your job. So Word, of course, we need one. Again, double click, the same thing. So here's two. So try to put the whole skills that you have. So here I have put mini scales, so you too try to put, only because we need to win time, try to put the whole scales by the way that you have watched here. So insert, select your picture. After that, for example, I will add, for example, Photoshop. Try, so it's so big, double click on your warp text in front and try to rotate this like this, like you say, or by changing it here. To 20, like this. Suppose that you have a lot of scales, so I will just put 4 scales like you are watching now. You can make them bigger if you want, of course. To tick the whole place. So like this. So for me, I have so you have the whole time to do this job, so try to select only the icons that you need. So here the same thing, we have to add some experience, so company, your job, the date or your period, and some informations. So I need this one, this text, so choose one. This is for job, and it's for period, and this is for some informations about my job. So job, period. So here, for example, you put 2002, like this. Change the color, the degree, like this. So the same thing here, company name, company name. So the same thing, try to put the whole experience you need. So for me, we'll put only 2. I want just to win time. What is important here is only the principle, but for you can follow the steps to do your job like you're watching now. So you can, in this example, I put 3 experiences, so here I put only 2. So you can, for you can put as much as you want of your experience. So for the scales, now in this place of the photo, so the second steps is finished. Now I'm going now to work on my footer, like you're watching here. I have social media, languages, and some interests. So we are going to start with languages. Again, click, select any box, the text box you need, click, press Ctrl, drag, change the color to the white, on the right, languages. So here you have 2 choices. You can, for example, select only, you can add icons directly, the icon of the language that you can speak, or you can create this rectangle to show to your employment the level that you can, the level of your language, for example Arabic, French, English, German. So to make this one, I will show you how to create this one, because for the icon you can only follow this same way that you used to add your scales. So I will put here some language, for example French, because in Morocco we speak all French language, and English and German. French will read us a little bit French. So again, I can't move this text box. Right click on your text box, more layout options, and click on move object with text. Now you can move it. So here I can put, for example, English. So for example, suppose that German. For me, I speak 5 language. German. So to create this one, this shape, only try to click on insert, shapes, rectangle, and draw one, double click on it, no outline, and change the color to the one you need. So for me, for example, I will choose the orange like this. Suppose that I speak French, because I speak French fluently for me. So I will write us like this. Now again we'll make it a little bit, so now it's good. Press Ctrl and drag for English. Change the color to like this color. Drag again another one, press Ctrl and put it exactly on the same place. Resize, for example, if you speak English, you can make the level of your language like this. For German again, press on 2 rectangles and drag them like this, for example, to show him your level of your German language. So now we have to add interests and social media, but before we have to create this line. Insert, shape, line, press again shift, double click, choose the white, the same thing, click again on this, on the line, press Ctrl, drag, click on languages, press Ctrl, drag to add interest, click again Ctrl, here you can write follow me, interests. So I will add 3 icons. Press insert, pictures, and I will add, for example, this one of a handball. So as you see, it's so bigger. Double click on your picture, wrap text, behind and make it a little bit small like this. So here it's on the right. You can change, for example, the color. Double click on your picture and choose, for example, 2 degree, for example, see, or any color that you need. So I will edit on black. Again, insert another picture or another interests, for example, reading. Same. Double click on your picture. So Ctrl Z, Ctrl again Z, insert picture, double click in front of. So now I can move faster my picture. So you can put, for example, here as much as you want of icon. Of course, I want to win the times for this tutorial, so for you, you can put as much as you want of icons and interests that you have. Here we have to add some of icon, social icon. So to that, the same thing, try to click on insert picture, for example, Facebook, click on wrap text. Now I can move faster my icon like this. Press, for example, on this text box, copy, make a copy, change it to the white color, and write your Facebook. Your Facebook. So put your Facebook here. The same thing, add another icon of social media like LinkedIn or Twitter or Google Plus, so or any other icon of social media. So double click on the wrap text photo for can. Now you can move, as you see, faster your icon, and here you put your Twitter. Double click, press Ctrl and drag this one. So I can't move my text, so right click, more layout option, move object text. Now I can move my text, and here you have to add your Twitter, for example. So you can add as much as icon of social media you need, and also of interests. So our template now is finished. I wish that you like this job. So see you in the next tutorial. We are going to create another template with of course Microsoft Office Word. Of course, in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, and we are going to see some tutorials about Joomla and WordPress and some of CMS. So thank you for watching, and see you later in next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.